We love our customers and work incredibly hard to make them happy. So when they love us back by giving us a glowing review online, we just have to share what they're saying with you and our other customers. In short, we work extremely hard to provide the best customer service to our customers. And this review shows that we're doing a good job. We are very proud of this. We want you to get the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. Call us today at the number on your screen, and thanks for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.